Hello everyone, today I will introduce you CGDI MB how to do FBS3 marriage repair. We do it on bench and by OBD here. Okay, let us check what do we need. First, it is our CGDI MB host USB cover here. Connect it and power here. 12 voltage. Connect it in the harness. The harness is made by our energy, so looks like a little cost. The instrument here. And our ES, it is 211 FBS3 type. Here. Next is our gateway A211 VGS here. 3 is our ERV. We pour it out from the car. And our instrument here. Okay, back to the software. We first need to read the ES data to check the ES is good and the OBD connect is okay. Then go to the marriage repair page here. The first important thing, you need to check the operation chips. We have a ES marriage and a dashboard marriage here. We need to erase the ES here. We need to wipe the ES. Then this place ES marriage will be 0. Then we can change the dashboard marriage, right marriage. After that, you put your dashboard into your car. The ES marriage will not back to the dashboard. Okay. Before you do anything, you need to gateway here. Read and save your EEPROM and flash gateway dump. Here, E-class W211. Read E-flash, read EEPROM. Okay, you can see reading gateway E date. EEPROM can read quick, but the flash date need almost 1 hour to read. Okay, then we need to save it. We save it on the desktop, then new folder. W211 gateway W211 EEPROM gateway prom. Save it. Save failed successfully. Then we click OK. We go to the flash. Read it. This operation takes a long time. Please connect the power supply or start the car in advance. Click OK. There are 2 chip types we can choose. It is both okay. You can choose 400 or 800, but when you write it back, you need to write the same chip type. If you are here read 400, this when you write, you need to choose the same type. It needs a long time, almost 1 hour. Okay, here we read succeed. Then we need to save it. Desktop. W211. Gateway flash. So far successfully. After you read iframe and flash and save them all, then you back to the merge repair. Still tips. You need to read the operation chips first, then you do other operations. Here, we need to read merge. Read dashboard success. Okay, here you see the EIS merge is 0, and the dashboard merge is 88. This place EIS merge here. You need to wipe the EIS to make the EIS merge to 0. Then in case of the EIS merge, we'll come back to the dashboard merge. Here, which we need to write merge. We input 51111. This loaded E and loaded flash. Here, you can't click it, but in this one, W221 and CR216, you can load gateway E and gateway flash here. In other types like W211, you needn't do that. We write merge. This operation takes a long time. Click OK. Click yes. If it fails to write, you can pull out the power and the USB cable. Then do it again, write it again. It will succeed. Remove false. Okay. Then we remove the power here. Remove it and connect it again. The instrument here, this is moving here. Okay, we read merge again. Read dashboard to see. Here you see it become 111. Here tips You must back up your gateway EEPROM and flash prom and flash date here. 3. Choose 3 here. Back up the flash and EEPROM of the central gateway. If the dashboard marriage become 9999, you can back to the gateway here. Write your old gateway dump back. It will repair it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.